Are you thinking about ordering those sleek smartwatch bands from getwowband.com, but wondering if it's really worth your money, or just another overhyped online store? Well, here's what you need to know before you hit buy. GetWowBand.com claims to offer high-quality smartwatch accessories like Apple and Samsung watch bands, protective cases, and screen protectors. On the surface, the site looks clean and professional, and it's been online since August 2023, so it's not brand new. They're also active on social media, posting new designs and replying to comments, which gives off the impression of a legit established shop. Their variety is impressive. Sporty silicone bands, premium-looking leather ones, and stylish metal options, all priced lower than official Apple or Samsung accessories. Sounds tempting, right? But here's where things start to feel uncertain. The website has no visible customer reviews, and there's nothing on Trustpilot either, which is always a red flag for transparency. Some Reddit users mentioned that while the designs look good, the quality doesn't quite match what's shown in photos, often comparing them to cheaper AliExpress or Amazon alternatives. Then there are Facebook complaints from frustrated buyers saying their orders arrived weeks or even months late, with customer support either unresponsive or slow to offer refunds. A few customers did eventually receive their items, but many said the wait and lack of communication made it not worth the hassle. So while GetWowBand.com might not be an outright scam, it's definitely a mixed bag. Some people get what they ordered, others regret it. If you're willing to risk slower shipping and possibly lower quality for a cheaper price, it might be fine. But if you value reliability, faster delivery, and guaranteed quality, you might want to explore more trusted options before spending your money there.